Petrol is becoming more and more expensive. At the individual level, higher gas prices mean that each of us pays more at the pump, leaving less to spend on other goods, services, and savings. Higher gas prices affect more than just the cost to fill up at the gas station but a broader effect on the economy. In this video, I will share to you the 10 tips on how to save money on gas. But before we start, be sure to subscribe in our channel for more investment tips. Number 1. Fill up your tank first thing in the morning. Only buy or fill up your car or baksh in the early morning when the ground temperature is still cold. Remember that all service stations have their storage tanks buried below ground. The colder the ground, the more dense the fuel. When it gets warmer, petrol expands. Therefore, if you purchase gasoline in the afternoon or evening after the sun has warmed the ground, you'll get less gas in your gallon than if you had refueled that morning, when the ground temperature was still low. In the petroleum business, the specific gravity and the temperature of the petrol, diesel, and jet fuel, ethanol and other petroleum products plays an important role. A 1-degree rise in temperature is a big deal for this business. But the service stations do not have temperature compensation at the pumps. Number 2. Fill up slowly. While getting gas probably isn't your favorite activity, trying to speed up the process could actually reduce your gas efficiency. Applying pressure to the gasoline nozzle to fill your tank as quickly as possible turns some of the gas into vapor. All pump hoses are equipped with a vapor return that sucks vapor back into the holding tank. That means you're charged for the gas that comes out, it vaporizes, and never actually enters your car, meaning you get less gas than you've paid for. Number 3. Don't wait until you're on E before filling up. Gasoline begins to evaporate when it comes into contact with air, which is why gasoline storage tanks have a floating roof that serves as zero clearance between the gas and the atmosphere. Driving around with an almost empty tank makes the remaining gas evaporate more quickly. Fill your tank whenever it drops below half full for optimal fuel efficiency. Number 4. If you see the tanker truck at the gas station, turn around. Another reminder, if there is a fuel truck pumping into the storage tanks when you stop to buy, do not fill up. Most likely the petrol/diesel is being stirred up as the fuel is being delivered, and you might pick up some of the dirt that normally settles on the bottom. Number 5. Avoid gas stations at the highway. Gas stations near the highway are usually the most expensive. Find the cheapest and nearest gasoline station near your home. Number 6. Keep your tires inflated. Tires lose pressure over time, so you should check and make sure they're properly inflated at least every month. To know your car's optimal psi rating, check your manual or the sticker in the jamb of your driver's side door. It's usually in the 30 to 35 psi range. Underinflated tires will lower gas mileage by about 0.2% for every 1 psi drop below your optimal psi rating, and they can lower the lifespan of your tires. Number 7. Stay at the speed limit. Slow down and drive steady. Fuel efficiency usually decreases rapidly above 50 miles per hour. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, each 5 mph you drive over 50 is like paying 14 cents more per gallon of gas. To save gas, stay at or under the speed limit, and drive at a consistent rate of speed. Number 8. Monitor when and how you brake. Braking excessively wastes gas. As you approach a stop sign or light, take your foot off the gas pedal earlier and let your car downshift before applying the brake. It's not just an efficient driving habit, it also puts less wear on your tires and brakes too. This helps you save on maintenance and repair costs. Number 9. Keep your engine properly tuned up. The short-term costs of properly maintaining your vehicle can improve your gas mileage by an average of 4%. Though results vary depending on based on how well your car is already running, according to the Department of Energy. Fixing a serious maintenance problem, such as a faulty oxygen sensor, can improve your mileage by as much as 40%. Number 10. Drive less and find alternatives. You can try exploring alternative ways such as utilizing public transports or riding a bicycle. Not only you will save money on petrol and parking, you can also help lessen the carbon dioxide emission. That's our 10 tips to save money on gas or petrol. No matter how often we go through gas shortages or spikes in gas prices in this country, we tend to act like it's the first time. High gas prices may be awful, but they don't last forever. If this is your first experience with costly trips to the pump, consider it a masterclass in ways to save money on gas. If you have additional tips, comment it down below. Please like and share this video if you find this helpful.